morning to everyone. This is Raghavendra working as assistant professor from Data Science Department in CSE in Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management in Hyderabad. So, in this session, we have to discussing about the R programming language. So, previous session we have to discuss about the introduction to data science. What is data and where is data science is needed. How does data science is work? So in these topics we have to discuss in last concept. So in this session we have to discuss about R programming language. So introduction to R programming language. What is an R? R is a popular programming language used to statistical computing and graphical presentation. So R language mainly used to statistical and data analysis and data visualization. So it helps to users collect the data and clean the data and analysis the data and display data using the graphs and pie charts, pie charts and graphs and pie charts. So in this R was created by the Ross and Robert gentlemen at the university in Auckland in New Zealand. So why we need to using the R? So R widely used to, so it is a great resources for data analysis, data visualization and data science and machine learning. So it provides many statistical techniques such as statistical tests and classification, clustering and data reduction. So mainly the R it is used to easy to learn and how many useful features. It helps the data analysis in machine learnings. So data science and statistical calculations are it will create the different types of graphs such as pie charts, bar charts, histograms and box plots, these types of charts we have to using by using the R programming. So it works on the Windows, Mac, Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux operating system, has thousands of packages that should be added the extra functions. So R can also work within the programming languages like Python programming, and C programming, C++, C++, and SQL. In these types of programmings, it will be R can also work within these programs. So it has a large community supported and it is open source and it will use into the free downloads, and it has many packages, libraries of functions that can be used to solve the different problems. So what are the why we need to use the R programming? So R programming the mainly uses to the popular because of it provides the many useful features, that is analysis, data analysis and data visualizations and the statistical analysis and open source and data manipulation and data integration and community and packages. So these are the mainly features of the R programming language. So first of all, statistical analysis. So R is designed for analysis and it provides an extensive collection of graphical and statistical techniques. So by making a preferred choice for statistical and data analysis. So R is specially designed for the statistical analysis. It provides many statistical methods such as hypothesis testing and regression analysis and classification and clustering, corrections and time series analysis. Because of these features are widely used into the many researches, and it will be used for the one of the best feature into the R programming. So next, R is the open source. So R is an open source software, which means it is freely available to anyone. So it can accessible by vibrant community of users and developers. And data visualization. So data visualizations, that is one of the biggest advantage of the R programming. So it is ability to create the beautiful informative graphs, and or it will be generated the pie charts, bar charts, and histograms, line charts, and like box charts. These types of charts, it will be generated into the R programming language. And data manipulation. So R offers to the tools that are for data manipulation and transformation. For example, IT simplify the process of filtering and summarization and transformation the data. So it can be useful for the manipulation and transformation. Next, and data integration. So R can be easily integrated with other programming languages and data sources. So it has connectors to various databases, and it can be used into the conjunction with Python and SQL and other tools. And large collection of packages, community and packages. So R has thousands of packages that provides extra functions for different tasks such as data analysis and machine learning and finance and healthcare and business and biometric, bioinformatics. So these packages saves time because user does not need to write every function from the scratches. And one more feature. So these are the mainly features of the R programming language. So it was the, so why you should be used for the R programming language. So it is mainly useful for the features of, so one of the free installation process, data analysis, and hottest trend, and the latest cutting edge technology, and platform independent, and these types of features are having into the R programming language. So what is an R programming? So R programming is the process of writing the program into the R language to perform statistical calculation and data analysis and visualization and reporting. So by using the R programming, users can easily to understanding by the read the data from files and databases. Next, it will easy to clean and transform the data, and it will perform the statistical analysis, and create the graphs and charts, and build the machine learning models, and generate the reports, and develop the interactive web application using the libraries. So these are the features of the R programming language. And next we need to history of the R programming. The history of R goes back about 20 to 30 years ago. So the history of R begins in the early of 1980s and 1990s, like that. So R was developed by the Ross Haika and Robert Gentleman in the University of Auckland in New Zealand. At the R development core team currently developed it. The R programming language name taken from the name of the both developers. So the first project started into the 1992. The first public version R was released into the 1995. The stabled version. So the stabled version became available into the earlier 2000. So it was released into the 2000. So today the R program, R development core team continuously update and improves the language. So the name of R comes from the letter of both developers' names is also influenced by the earliest S programming language. Earliest S programming language. So next, so why we need to useful for the R programming language. So importance of data science and statistical languages. Why R is good for business, and R is a gateway to create career, and open source and popularity and robot visualization library. And with R you can develop amazing web apps or enjoys a vast community support. So let us discuss about one by one. So R is one of the most widely used programming language into the data science. It is helpful to the analyze the large data sets. And R is a good for business. So many companies using the R programming to analyze the customers' data and sales report and financial information and market trends. So it helps the business makes better decision using the better make decision. So next, R is the gateway. So it is good career opportunity. So one of the good career opportunity. So the data science. So it will R learning R opens many career opportunities like that, data analysis and data sciences and statisticians and business analysis and research scientists and machine learning for engineering. So R is the open source. So open source language, it is maintained by the community of active users, and you can avail R for free. You can modify various functions in R and make your own packages. Since R is issued under the general public license, then there are no restrictions on its usage. And one of the R has become the most popular programming language into the industry. Why we need the most popular? So it will create the opportunities, many type of industries like data science and data analysis and business analysis and research scientists. So that is the one of the reason it will more popularity of in many industries. It will create the more opportunities. And robot visualization library. So are comprised of libraries like ggplot2 and plotty that offers graphical plots to its users. So R is mostly widely recognized for its stunning visualization, which gives it an edge over the data science programming language. So with R you can develop amazing web apps. So using the Shiny package, using the R Shiny package, so R create interactive web application and dashboards without requiring advanced web application knowledge. So without application dashboards and required advanced web application knowledge. So you can embed your visualization and enhance the storytelling of your data analysis through visualization. So R enjoys the best community support. So it is the R program is supported by the West community that maintains and update the R. If you face any trouble with the code into the R, you can avail the support of the community and places like Stack Overflow. So there are several communities around the world that is organized boot camps and R meets up. So these are the mainly R programming using the main features into the in this popular why we need to most popular into the R programming. So what are the major advantages of R programming? R programming. So let us we have to briefly discuss about what are the major advantages into the R programming. So it is first of all, first thing, it is available into the free and open source software, and easy to learn and easy to use the programming, and it is a powerful statistical analysis tool. So it will visualize and it will generate the bar charts and pie charts and blocks, and it will easy to create, and it will generate it. And one of the most important excellent data visualization concept and support the machine learning. So that's the reason it is one of the major advantages, and thousands of packages are available into the libraries, and works on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. So it will supported into the operating systems are Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and Mac operating system. So that is the reason one of the main advantages, and it is one of the large community support, and integrated with the it is integrated with the programming language or C language and C++ language and SQL language. So it is intercommunicating within the in these programs. So and one of the major advantages, it is used to mainly researchers and business and healthcare and finance sector. These types of sectors, it will be used into the R programming language. So that is the reason in this nowadays R programming is the most popular and most major advantages into the R programming language. So this is the mainly history of the R programming language and advantages and features of in this R programming language. The next session we have to discuss about briefly into the R programming concept. So thank you everyone.